So we believe in peace and food brings us together.
One and a pinch of salt. I'm gonna add to make it thinner.
This is the easiest one altogether.
Yeah, should be enough. We may add more yogurt if we prefer. Some garlic. If you like garlic a lot, you may grate a lot, or two or one big one will be enough. Yeah. And you may either grate the cucumbers, but I prefer cutting them into pieces, small pieces, using a knife. That will be easier for me.
The skin, like how you do that? It's
The
like in
skin?
stripes.
And putting small stripes there, and then
She's an
or-
expert. I can do it in my
And
hand.
she's right. Most of the garlic.
Wow. And actually, Maris.
and on the board, maybe.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
On top, or mix it.
Oh, you'll mix it too.
I will mix.
Okay. That's with the money rate, we through this cooking classes, we kind of bought the what was Michelle? Many things, oven and refrigerator over there, you know. So yeah.